What's up people of YouTube? So we're going to try something different today just for a laugh, and basically my screen looks like it's been dropped off a cliff. It probably has actually, but it's been like that for a couple of years, and although I didn't really worry too much about it because it's constantly getting smashed every time I crash, this happened the other day. As you can see, that is slightly more annoying because you can't scroll on the thing without getting glass shards in your fingers. So I've had to order a couple of screens. Now I've been on the internet to see some videos on how to change these screens, and the only videos I've been able to find are in Urdu, or they've got Skrillex music playing at 900 bloody decibels, neither of which is applicable to an old git like me that doesn't want any of that kind of stuff. So I'm going to make a video in English that you should probably be able to understand. And the other thing is, all these other videos on the interweb, people doing them have probably done about 1,000 of these phones already, so they make it look really simple. Well, I've never done one in my life, and let's have a go and see what I can do. Begin. So, first off, some people... Oh no, actually that's not the first thing, is it? The first thing, what do you get in the box? Well, basically, we've got a screen, we've got a load of instructions in Thai, which she was unable to translate, so that's a bloody help, isn't it? And we got a bunch of free tools. Well, we had with the one that I bought, it came with a bunch of free tools, so we'll just scatter those all over the table. And get on with it. Right, this will mostly be put up in free in real time, so you can get an idea of how long it takes. I'll probably chop out some of the excessive stuff. Anyway, step one, some people do this step and other people don't. You've got to heat the screen right up, soften up the glue. How hot you've got to get it, I don't bloody know because they didn't tell me. I will imagine it's somewhere below the point of it bursting into flames. Oh, I suppose the other thing you could do as well is turn the bloody thing off before you start doing this, but I've started now. Well, that's kind of hot. The next thing I've seen them doing is digging away at the screen. So this is my screen protector. So this is the easy bit if you've got one of these on. So there you go, that's my screen protector gone, and now you can see, I can't see because the viewfinder's switched off on my camera, but now you can see the actual screen. So basically I've seen them picking away, picking, he says, but I can't actually do it myself. They seem to be picking away at the edge of the screen, and so far we're not getting anywhere with that. Oh, we got something. Right, okay, I have just, can you see that? I just got a bit of a lift on the screen there. Oh, the other thing. I've forgotten how to work my own phone, people. hold on a minute. Right. Okay, we continue. So I'm easing. Can you see? You're probably not going to pick this up. You can just see a little bit of whiteness inside the black border there as I'm using the what must be glue, I suppose. Oops, I'm using the glue off. Right. I seem to have lost it. Right, I've lost it, so we'll go back there again. Right, what we'll do this time, we'll stick the second one in there. There's a lot of crackling. Sounds of pain. Ooh. Right, it's coming out. So I'll just send this secondary one in there as well. Look, it'll probably lift the whole top corner. Yeah, there you go. Right, oops, we are slowly. Oh, it's popped off that side. That side's popped off. Right, there's a wire down here somewhere. Wire connector, so don't go in too deep there because you could tear things apart. Right, come back up here. Okay, I haven't got it all. What I've actually got is the glass screen. The LCD bit is in behind it again. Let me just come back here. Right, I'm in behind the screen. I'm in behind the screen there. Can you see? What's this glass bit do? The glass bit's got a connection down the bottom there, but that's knackered anyway, so we'll just move that to one side. Oh, this is sticky all the way across, I think. This looks like the whole screen is sticky. So, I'll just see if that helps. The other thing I forgot is I got a knackered speaker. I'll show you that in a minute. Ow, ow, that's getting hot. I'll put that down a minute. See, the trouble is all these Indian videos, they're good, but they don't have any English language. Or it's drowned out by Skrillex music, and they don't actually tell you what's going on. But this seems to be what's going on. This is all very painful looking. We could well be looking, my next video could be me going to the shop to buy a brand new phone. Otherwise, I did see a trick where someone ran a piece of micro thin wire under that. Oh, I'd advise eye protection as well, because there are little splinters here flying up in the air, and I've already got a dodgy eye from a different incident. I'm running out of eyes. Right, so we're still going around the edge. It's definitely, oops, completely stuck down. And there is definitely bits of stuff flying everywhere. It looks like the only way I'm going to get this off is to just annoy it until it just comes off. I'm going to have to face it away from the camera a minute while the shrapnel flies. There you go. Right, careful on this corner because you've got your connector there. Okay. Well, that seems to be the end of the screen. Right, we've got a crosshead screw just here.